If you lived in Enugu during the time of Sullivan, you will agree with me that the once model city was a shadow of itself in the last couple of years. During the last administration, Enugu, which was once a major entertainment hub and cleanest city in Nigeria, overnight lost all her glories. The city became a shadow of itself with zero nightlife activities, indiscriminate dumping of refuse in every corner of the city, little or no maintenance of the dilapidated roads, zero maintenance of street lights, and worst of all, indiscriminate cutting down of trees in and around the city, to mention but a few. But all those seems to be in the past, as the city is gradually returning back to its former glory. There seems to be a breath of fresh air in every corner of the city since the current administration took over power. A lot seems to be happening, and the city is gradually taking shape again, just like in the time of Sullivan. Although we are not yet where we are supposed to be as a city, but as the saying goes, Rome was not built in a day. A little drop of water makes an ocean, and that little drop of water is what we are experiencing in this current administration in Enugu. For a while now, I have been driving around the city of Enugu to see what is going on in the city. And yes, a lot is going on here and there. There seems to be a lot of misconception about Enugu, the current government, and the projects they are undergoing. While some people seem to be against the current government for reasons best known to them, others seem to be in support. This is based on what I have observed on social media. I'm neither in or against anybody. I am here to support good governance and anyone who will change the face of Enugu and bring it back to its former glory as the most peaceful, most beautiful, most serene, most livable, the most green, the cleanest, and the most business-friendly city. And above all, a top destination for entertainment and tourism, not just in Nigeria, but Africa at large. Water problem in some part of Enugu city is a very sensitive topic. Although the government of Mba promised to tackle that within 180 days, but we all know that it is impossible to achieve that within that short period of time. But the government seems not to be relenting in making water accessible to every home in the city. After all, water is a basic amenity that everyone should have access to. So we look forward to the day that every home in Enugu city will have access to clean and safe drinking water. I am glad that the government is not relenting in making that a reality. Let's take a moment to look at what is new in Enugu since the current administration took over power. In as much as we are not yet where we are supposed to be, but we encourage everyone to invest in Enugu and urge the government to do more for their state. Beautification of Enugu is one thing this current administration is taking very seriously. While driving around the city, one will notice that all the roundabouts in the city are getting a facelift. Trees are being planted in all the major roads in the city, which will improve the aesthetics of Enugu. Although some street lights in the city are being fixed and damaged ones are being replaced, but a lot still needs to be done in that area so as to light up the entire city, which will help improve security and bring nightlife back to Enugu. Truth be told, if the former administration did half of what the administration of Sullivan did in Enugu, or what the current administration is doing in Enugu, by now Enugu would have been a heaven. But let's not dwell in the past, because we still have a long way to go. In the area of road construction, the current administration has done quite a lot in that area and still doing, and we hope that they continue to do. Truth be told, we can never be truly satisfied until we see that all the roads in the city are tarred. Some of the places that have felt the presence of this current government are Ido River, Premier Layout, Abapa, Gulf Estates, Abakaliki Close, Achala Layout, Transekulu, GRA, among others. Some of the physical projects currently going on in the city of Enugu includes the building of the new Enugu city, the installation of CCTV cameras within the city, rebuilding of modern bus terminals at Holy Ghost, Abakpa, Gariki and Nsukka, rebuilding and remodeling of Government Technical College GTC Enugu, the building of the abandoned International Conference Center, and the rebuilding of the Presidential Hotel, among others. While we urge the government to do more for our dear city, the task of making Enugu great again does not rest on the government alone, but also on each and every one of us. Do your part while the government do theirs. Do not litter the streets of Enugu. Help keep the city clean. Do not vandalize government projects. Plant trees in and around your home. Enugu is ours to enjoy, but gone are the days people only come to Enugu to enjoy life. It is time to also invest in the city. Visit Enugu, explore Enugu, enjoy Enugu, and also invest in Enugu. God bless Enugu.